Are you fighting your battles very wisely?
ese uri kurwana intambara zawe mu bwenge?
Are you seeing the mountain before you going to move?
ese urabona hari imisozi imbere yawe izakurwaho?
The strategy is to fight in the spirit and also in the physical.
Yeah.
When you raise your hands up, God is ready to intervene. But when you're still saying, I will do it myself, He leaves you there. Let me tell you something. Sometimes we delay in our situations because we are fighting by ourselves. God is going to wait for you until you surrender.
Imana izakurindira kugeza igihe uyeguriye byose.
Do you know why?
Uzi impamvu?
He doesn't want to share His glory with you.
Kubera ko ntabwo ishaka gusangira icyubahiro cyawe nawe.
Hallelujah. So it depends on how you fight your battles.
Biterwa rero n'uburyo urwana intambara zawe.
Those mountains are going to move if you fight wisely.
Iyo misozi izakurwaho
no matter how big the mountain can be, if you fight wisely, it's going to move.
Uko musozi kose wabungana ni urwana na ubwenge uwo musozi uzakurwaho.
Because the Bible has told us, even if you have faith that as small as a mustard seed, just put that faith in God, and then the mountain, you command it and to gonna listen and obey.